Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain you Unit 1 Session 3 Overcoming Barriers to Communication. Okay, so let's start. Anything that makes the message prevents the smooth delivery of the message and or its reception at the sender's or the receiver's end means communication barrier may arises at any stage of the communication process and it create misunderstanding also. So I'm giving you example. Suppose a teacher is explaining a topic in the class and the students are making noise. So it creates a barrier in the communication. As the teacher means the sender cannot concentrate on it and the students who are the receiver cannot get it. Fine. Here are the classification of barriers. There are three types of barriers. First is intrapersonal, second is interpersonal, and third is environment based. I will explain you one by one. Intrapersonal. As the term intra means within, so several factors arises within ourselves act as a barrier to the communication. Okay? मीन्स हमारे अंदर ही ये सब बैरियर्स रहते हैं खुद में. इंट्रापर्सनल कैन बी आवर ओन पर्सनैलिटी, आवर एटीट्यूड, आवर वैल्यूज, आवर नॉलेज, आवर बिहेवियर्स एट्सेट्रा. मतलब ये सब हमारे बैरियर्स है जो हमारे खुद के अंदर रहते हैं. सेकेंड इज इंटरपर्सनल. एज द टर्म इंटर मीन्स between, so there are several factors arises between two or more people act as a barrier to the communication. Interpersonal can be occur when the sender's message is received differently from how it was intended. Okay? मीन्स यहाँ पे इंटरपर्सनल जो हो रहा है वो दो पर्सन के बीच में जो बैरियर्स आ रहे हैं जब कम्युनिकेशन करते वक्त उसको हम बोलते हैं इंटरपर्सनल. मतलब जो सेंडर जो मैसेज भेजना चाह रहा है वो रिसीवर को एग्जैक्ट मैसेज नहीं मिल पा रहा है. ठीक है. थर्ड इज एनवायरमेंट बेस्ड. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ फिजिकल बैरियर एंड दिस बैरियर आर इजी टू टेक केयर ऑफ बट सम मे प्रूव टू बी टफ. ओके. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू द कॉजेज ऑफ बैरियर्स. ओके. First is intrapersonal. There are many points are mentioned here. I will explain you one by one. Wrong assumption. Wrong assumptions are generally made when the sender or receiver does not have full knowledge about each other's background experience. Okay? Varied perception means every individual have their own views depending upon the situation. Okay, so none of them is wrong. It's all about the matter of view and the best way is to step back and take a wider perspective. Okay. Example, I can take, suppose two person is standing opposite to each other and I am placing one number between them. So that is number 6. So one person reads 6 but another person is reading 9. सो दोनों के जो परसेप्शन है वो अपनी अपनी जगह सही है. डिफरिंग बैकग्राउंड मीन्स नो टू पर्सन्स हैव सिमिलर बैकग्राउंड. आइडेंटिफिकेशन विथ अनदर पर्सन इज ओनली द सॉल्यूशन. यूज लैंग्वेज अंडरस्टूड बाय द रिसीवर टू अवॉइड अनसर्टेनिटी. क्लियर. रॉन्ग इन्फेरेंस मीन्स sometimes we fail to distinguish between what is actually exist and what we had assumed. So inferences are more dramatic than the facts and they give more scope for gossips and rumors. Clear? Impervious categories means this type of people generally don't want to change their point of view. Such people are very rigid in their opinion and may face many problems in communicating. So this is the result of having closed mind. Clear? These are the remedies. Following points are mentioned here to avoid wrong assumption, take care of the audience whom you are addressing, and make clear assumption. Don't assume that you are always right. Okay, have a habit of paying attention to those topics which you dislike. So read all this point. Clear? Now, causes of interpersonal barrier. Again, there are some points mentioned here. I will explain you one by one. Limited vocabulary means an adequate vocabulary can be a major hindrance in communication. Make constant effort to increase your vocabulary by reading books and listening to the good speaker. Mismatch of the verbal and non-verbal messages means the difference between verbal and non-verbal communication leaves the listeners feeling confused and puzzled. Emotional outburst. As you know, emotions are the integral part of our life, but excessive emotional involvement can be a problem in communication. For example, extreme anger. Okay? Poor listening skills means it is a very common problem, so pay proper attention, ask question at the appropriate moment, and don't jump to the conclusion directly. Clear? Noise in the channel. As you already learn about it, noise is an unwanted signal which interfere in the flow of communication. So noise reduces the interest of the receiver in the message. Fine? Again, here some are the remedies to overcome this barrier. Try to develop good vocabulary by reading book and listening speeches in your language. Have a coordination between your speech and your body language. Have a control on your emotions during communication and be a good listener. Okay? Third is causes of environment based barrier. Okay? These are the points. I will explain you one by one. First is time. So time has important role in communication process. Usually happens when the sender is not aware of the mood of the receiver when sending a message. Then place means the place or the location where the communication process take place can degenerate into a barrier to effective communication. Example I will tell you, government office, multinational company, etc. Space means space is an important role in an oral communication situation. It can act as a barrier to the communication. Example I will tell you, office. Then climate. Climate means the talks where we held in a cordial atmosphere and in proper climate. Says the newspaper, unfavorable climate act as a barrier to the communication, which leads to a wrong perception or decision. Noise. As we learnt in previous videos explanation that noise is a physical barrier to effective communication. Okay. These are the remedies of environment based communication barrier, how to overcome this barrier. So these are the points. Consult other before communicating, have a clarity of your thoughts, be a good listener, and last one is ensure proper feedback. So all I have explained here, and keep reading. Okay, thank you.